Hello everyone and welcome to Nupur's Kitchen. So tea times are my absolute favorite, especially the evening tea times. But then there is one thing that I always find myself guilty of is that I munch a lot with tea. I can't have my tea alone. So these days I have started baking some cookies at home only, and I have already shared recipe of 2 cookies. So today I am making Jeera bites, or you can call it Jeera cookies. So now let's just quickly look at the recipe. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe to my channel. My Jeera bites or the Jeera cookies are already baked. They have rested well, they have come to room temperature, and I have transferred them in the airtight container. So this step is very important. If you want your cookies to be crispy till next 1 or 2 weeks, you need to store them in an airtight container. So I'll show you one. So you can see perfectly baked Jeera cookies, and I'll show you the crunch as well. So you can see how crunchy and flaky these are. I just want to have that right now. Okay, so I'll have that later. So now here I end my video. Do check the other 2 cookies recipe, the ginger one and the ragi one. All the links are given in the description box. Please give me thumbs up if you like the video. Share this video with your friends and families. They can also bake it. If you have any queries, just tell me in the comment section. I'll reply to your comments. And subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you and bye.